I'm so glad that you're here. I want to share with you some items that I received from PandaHall. So they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to choose some items and then share them here with my friends. And I said, sure. So I went on their website, and I'm telling you, their website is amazing. So PandaHall is a jewelry. It's going to be charms, beads, earrings, some crafty items. I'm telling you, their website is like huge, and the price of their items are really at an affordable price. So I would say if you're a crafter who's on a budget like me, this site is definitely going to be right up your alley. I'm going to share with you the things that I did choose, and I will be making some other videos in the future, in the near future here, and showing you what I made with the things that I chose from PandaHall. So the first thing that I'm going to show you are these wax seals that I chose. So this one, look how cute this is. I don't want to have, I feel like I have a glare here, but this is going to be a wax seal, and it is a bottle, and it has like a little gem inside of it with a moon. I really liked it just because of the shape of the bottle. And then it has like a little plug there. I hope you can really see that. And then I chose, look at this. And I'm telling you, the prices are just amazing. This is a bow, and I saw this exact same one on Amazon for way higher than what it is on the website here. So this was like, I want to say it was like $2 and something cents, and then this one was under $1. And again, look how cool these wax seals are. And then the next thing that I chose was this necklace here, or this chain. Look at this chain. I'm going to see if you can get it. I'm hoping you can. So it has hearts on it, and it's very dainty too, which is kind of cool. I'm going to probably make some bracelets with this for my daughter, and maybe put some charms on it. But you get this, and I'm probably going to use, or even use these like on some of my Happy Mail, and put some probably lighter charms on it. And then along with this, it came with some lobster claws, and then some rings here as well. So that's always handy, right, when you have chain stuff, lobster claws, especially if you're going to make some bracelets or things like that. And then I also chose, because I love packaging, so I'm all about packaging, and they have this bundle of these little cellophane bags, and here's this one. So this has some daisies on it, and look how cute. So this is going to measure, let me see, I'm gonna measure this for you. So it's almost 3 inches that way. Honestly, I'm not very good at measuring. And then where it stops here, because you'll fold it over, and it's almost a little over 2.5. So they're a little bit smaller, but they're perfect for what I need. I'm going to probably package like charms. You can do glitter mixes, or sequin mixes in here, and just have the cutest packaging. So it came in a package of 3, and I believe there's 100 in each package of different design anyway. And look at these. Look how cute those are. Adorable. And this one has a frost on it. And they each come packaged like this. And this is really cute. This is going to be cute for the upcoming Valentine's season that we all love to craft for. Look how cute those are. It has all stars and a heart. And this, I believe it was like maybe $5 for, again, 1, 2, 3, so you have 300 little cellophane bag self-sealing ones, which is an amazing bargain, right? And then I picked out these beads. These are going to be seed beads, and look at the thickness of this box, just because I want to give you reference. And these were under $5. These are maybe even $3 or $4, to be honest. I can't remember, but I'll have the link of everything in the bottom. And then I also have a 10% discount code that I'll put in the bottom. You'll get 10% off of your first order. And that's anything off the website. Just look at these colors. I picked these out specifically because I wanted to start using a little bit more of my Maggie Holmes paper that I have. I use it. I feel like I hoard it. I think we all do. But I'm like, one of my things for next year is really to get more creative and use more of what I have. So these little seed beads, the colors are just beautiful. There's like a mustard yellow, there's a peach, there are like a cream color, this is an orange, this is more like a dull yellow, and these are transparent. I actually think these ones are like glitter, have glitter on them. I don't know if you can't really, these ones are a little bit tiny, but these are just adorable. Oh, adorable, they're falling. They're so tiny. So I can use these actually in shaker mixes. They probably these smaller ones I can use in shaker mixes as well. And then for some jewelry, I can make them into charms. There's so many possibilities for that. And then this was really, really cool. I want to share this with you. This is a kit. So they do have kits that you can purchase as well. This was actually one of the most expensive items that I picked out, and this had to be like $7, maybe $8 for this kit. But you have to see, I'm going to show you everything that you get in this kit, and it's amazing. So what's kind of cool, it's an earring kit, so it does come with instructions if you want to follow the instructions that it came with. I love these. These are really cool. I don't know really particularly if I'll use them as earrings, but they come with all of the items that you need to make earrings. And then in the back here, it also gives you instructions, which is kind of neat because sometimes you get kits like this and you're like, okay, well, what do I do? Here's all the pieces. But if you're a beginner, this is perfect. This would be a perfect gift for even like somebody who's into jewelry, adult, or even like a little one who is starting to get into jewelry making. So that's really useful. But I'm going to show you all of the charms that come in here. And they are, oh my gosh, adorable. So here are the unicorns and those, look at those balloons. So cute. See this? You have the balloons and the unicorn, the two unicorns. And then here you have the bow. And then look at this. Oh, it's so cute. And then, here, let me show these here. So you have like the ice cream shake. It's like that old school type of shakes. And then you have this cute little bow here. And then you have this cupcake here. So stinking cute. I love those. And then these were actually one of my favorites. So you get a pair of donuts, and then you get 4 of the peaches. Look at those. Cute, right? You get the donut and the peach. Look at that little peach. I'm telling you, it is super stinking cute. And then you get 4 of these little gold bows. This is actually what probably attracted me to this kit, was the little bows. So stinking cute. And then it also comes with the chain for the earrings that's needed, the backs, little eye pins to make them, and then it has these that are have the earring backs to them. And look, they come protected, which is nice. And then you can always put like a little chain like it has here. Let's see if I can show you the example for this one. Here it is. So like in this one, you have the chain, and then you can put the little unicorn on the bottom if you wanted to. But again, you don't have to use them for that, right? You can use them for just different charms and use them that way. So there's multi-purpose use for these two, which I really liked. So just depending on what you want. And then it had these little gold hoops. And here's an example of how they use the hoops here. And those are super cute. So they're like dangly little earrings. And then here with the donuts, it has the tassels, which are the pink little tassels here. So everything. So this would be really cool, like little birthday kit to use for somebody who is getting into jewelry making or really likes jewelry anyway, who has been. So that is, I thought that was a really cool. And the deal too, the deal that you get, all those that you get in here. And then I picked out these, which I'm going to do a video on how to use these. So these are going to be for resin. And these are ice creams. Look how cool that is. They're like big, like charms. And so I purchased some resin UV like tape. And you'll put the tape there and then you'll put the resin and it makes some really cool ice creams. So I'm going to be doing those and show you how I do those. But this comes in like this dull, I don't even know what I'm trying to think like this, the dull metal and then a shiny gold. And then it has a silver, is that the same? A silver and then like a yellow gold color. There we go. And those are pretty big ice creams. So there's my hand and maybe 2, 3 fit. So I'm going to have a lot of fun decorating those. I'm thinking about doing some keychains for those, putting them on some journals. There's a lot of possibilities for those as well. So I also chose this tool here. And so if you see, I'm going to show it to you. It has like a concave piece to it. I'm hoping you can get that on camera there. Right here, and then it has the round piece here where usually you will wrap around your wire, right, to make the little eye. But this actually helps, so you'll press the wire down together on it, and then it makes your eye pin, and it's easier to make one. And I make an eye pin, and I've seen some videos with this tool of people doing some wire wrapping, which is beautiful. So I was really excited to choose these out as well. And this itself, I think this one was like, oh, I'm trying to remember. As I'm using them, I'll try to put the prices that are on the website, but you can go through the website. Like I said, I'll have all the links for all of the products down below, and then you'll be able to see them. These were, I was really excited to pick these up. I'm going to show you these, because I've been looking at these on Amazon for like ever, honestly, and never kind of bit the bullet. And then I saw these and I was like, oh, I just have to have these. So I did cheese. So I chose these. And look how cool. These are like the little drinks with the resin in there and then the little resin pieces. And you get, look at this bag. No joke, guys, these were really at a really good price on the website. I'm telling you, and for what you get. I was so excited about these. I'm going to make some earrings. I want to make a necklace for my daughter. I'm going to use these in some charms. And again, I will be showing some videos on how I have decided to use them. And look at these. These are just adorable. So I chose those, and then I was very excited about these. So I've seen the gummy bear thing going around, and look at this. These are tons and tons of gummy bears. And so I was excited to choose these out just because I've seen some girls at my school, or some of my students have been wearing these gummy bear necklaces. And I thought, what a cute idea that would be for my daughter. And to make like the little bracelets and maybe make her some earrings. And you get so many different types of little gummy bears. Just, you can't tell me those are not cute, because those are super cute. You get clear ones, you get some pink, you have all kinds of color. Look, this one reminds me of those soda gummies. And there's ones with glitter. Let's see if I can pick out some with glitter. I think, no, there was ones with glitter that I had noticed. Oh, this one has, oh, I don't know if that one has glitter on it. There was one that I just saw that had glitter. Oh, here we go. Here's a little gummy bear with glitter. So you get a really good variety of gummy bears. The little resin gummy bears. I was so excited about these. I'm trying to pick up on my like resin charms, so I was just excited. So yeah, that's all that I went ahead and I chose, and I'm telling